Beautiful fish. Well done, Kev. So we're on his way to Anglers Direct. I'll give you a quick show at Anglers Direct in Stoke. Got to go and get your prize giveaway, voucher, and some magawars. So we'll give a quick show in shop. So this is Anglers Direct. We need maggot tub, mate. Not put Kevin's car edge on. So yeah, we need gonna get maggot tub out. This sort tackle. It's in that box, in that bag, mate. Have you got one? Oh, Kev's got one. So I'm going to show you in Anglers Direct. Just get, I'll get 2 parts, so we'll just half them. Doesn't get 2 part maggots. I'll take it around Anglers Direct. The door rods upstairs and stuff. Up lines. Stuff. Massive shop. So Kev was. What are you after, mate? Yeah, over here, that pole stuff. So we'll hold it here a minute. The first purchase. What are you going to say?
Yeah, I've got the same.
That one's a little bit bigger than mine, not? A little bit bigger thing. You want to get one with a bigger head on and all, mate?
Yeah.
Because you're our side. Tell Kevin, oh man, can't see. I'll tell you, 14s.
Well, that's 14, or 16.
Yeah, well, I'll just change it up. Put another hook on. Some other bits they've got. All floats. Like I say, upstairs is all poles and stuff. Why do them on my wall? Yeah, not a problem, mate. Not a problem. I'll give that in a second. So I'm just getting that gift voucher for everybody. And magawars and everything else. Just stop it a minute while I give me email out. Yeah, sorry I had to stop that. Just give me email address out and stuff. So I want to go upstairs quickly and show you these rods. Got chairs and stuff. Just sort that out for us, Kev. Door boxes and stuff. Baits. So you own that lot. Pick and mix. Hey, I'll call you out, mate. Sorry. Two caps and stuff. He looks familiar. And these are rods. On the other side. I'm gonna get the canal now and get some fish. Be careful. This is my setup. Get everything ready. Down at canal. This is Kev sat there, and I've been told he's seen the dancing fisherman again. So let's see if we can catch some fish. Just started down the edge while this barge goes through, and then we're going to get to the other side. So see if we can catch some fish. Going down. Nice board. You alright? Some swans here, look. Hello. So we're down at canal. Yeah. We're down at canal and Kevin says flipping. Right, so what we're doing, I'm using that new dibber float that I bought from Tackle Shop, Midday. It's took 2 number 8s. I'm fishing about 2 foot deep. Seems quite low canal, if I'm honest. Phil said his first fish on his pole, so I've got to teach him 5-10 minutes. Double white maggot, I'm just shipping across. The bar's just gone through, so what we're going to do is just have 10-15 minutes. Like I said, I'm helping Kevin today as well, so a bit of a tutorial. So let's carry on. Just hooked into my first fish. Kev said a massive perch. That's a little one. Come on, mate. Come on out. Cold hands. There you go, little perch. Just got his second fish. Like I said, it's a bit of tutorial today. Look at this for the perch when he gets it out. Is it spat hook out, mate?
No, not yet.
Like I say, he don't usually fish with pole, bless him. So he's been out and got his centre pole. Here, mate.
Yeah, I've got one.
You got it, mate.
Alright.
Got right hard mouths, haven't they?
Yeah.
You got. Get his fin up. What a beautiful perch. I'd say that's about a pound and a half. Can weight him in end. Well done, Kevin. Give me a keep that, mate. Well done, Kevin. Here's a shower. Well done, mate. Well done. It's hooked into another fish. Lovely size roach that.
Hey, well done.
Nice size roach. Got it net. There you go. Kevin's just hooked into a decent fish. I think it might be a carp. Just take your time, mate. Put your pole lower down. Yeah. Start shipping back, mate. Like I say, it's a bit of a tutorial today. We're trying to teach him what he's doing. Keep shipping back, mate. I've got this in, mate. Go on. Keep shipping back. Nice perch, innit? Take it off at top too, mate. I've got your pole. Pole's here, mate. Yeah, he's got a lovely perch. Look at this. Just 1 second. Got him. Well done, mate. Look at sight. Oh, wow. That's your PV perch, that, mate. That's a monster. There you go. Lovely fish, mate. Lovely fish. Doing sideways, Kev. There you go. Got his PB perch. We're weighing these up at Enfield, bless him. Well done, mate. Well done. Right, we're going to pack up early. Kevin, can I give us a smile, Kevin, because he's beat me? Give us a smile, young man. Don't worry, I'll slow-mo it down, pal. So yeah, Kev's done right well. I'm going to show you Kev's. I'm going to get off and we'll have to make it another day. So, let's pack it up. So I've not had many fish. See what they are. Not many at all. Kev's at birthday, not me. Nice roach. No perch. No perch. 3 fish. So it's 3 mile here. 3 mile here, 3 mile back. So I've lost 3 miles. That's going to come out for an hour. No. Right, so this is Kev. Look at these. Look at the size of that perch.
That perch is a monster. You should need weighing that. That's a 2.5. That is. Got 2 2s. But that's.
So it's a nice bream.
You need to take it. Oh God, that perch. You want to float on the own? They're fantastic. I'll be over the moon with them babies. Oh my lord.
Drop it down a bit.
I'd shut the bream in and just. Fantastic. Them perch are not.
Big perch. Camera, look. Are they all in, Bob?
Yeah.
Set it to 0, mate. Yeah, pounds. £9.5, £9.6, £9.6, mate. Yeah. So do you want to just weigh that big perch?
Yeah. Mega perch, then, my boys. Well done.
Oh, you just having just that big perch, then? Yeah.
Fantastic there, Kev.
Well done, mate.
He's got nearly £9 a perch there.
So we'll weigh these up.
Yeah.
One at a time,
fantastic.
Mate.
Look at that. That one in his hand is the biggest one. It's got to be 2.5. That one is. What a perch! That is mega. Fantastic. What have you got, Paul?
Hang on, it's on 8 units. £2.6.
Yeah, 2.5 a job, that isn't it? You're 2.8, 2.5, ain't it?
2.6.
Yeah, it's nice.
Get a little bigger, mate. No, hang on, pal. Hang on, pal. Let's picture him.
Oh, is that the biggest one?
The next biggest one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic fish there, Mark. Well done. We've coming from one decent big perch, actually.
£2.2, mate. Right good that.
Yeah. So what's his biggest? 2.6, 2.2.
2.6. Well done, mate.
2 sec.
Beautiful fish. Well done, Kev. Right, the fishing buddies, just doing part of the editing for this video. There were 164 mile left in the keep net, and looking back on the videos, I've realised that above race 20, I've done 2 days. I only added the 40 fish, not the 26 from the day before, so I'm going to add them on as well. Obviously my mistake. I caught 3 fish, obviously no species knocked off list. Kevin had an absolute birthday that day, so well done Kevin, and thank you for taking me, mate. That leaves, minus the travelling, 3 mile there, 3 mile back, leaves 177 mile left in keep net. So take care all, and hopefully I'm going to Shrewsbury, try and catch a barbel, or go into a little place that I know, a little secret place, and looking up my species list. Hopefully Phil will be taking me next few weeks, trying to catch this zander, and a stone loach and an eel. So stay tuned and see what we can do. Take care all, take care. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do quick shout outs, and then what we're going to do is we're going to be drawing 5 giveaway out, so stay tuned for that. Quick shout out to Dan from South Shields, all season seas fishing, great I'll be doing. Also shout out to David Lyons from Tackling Minds. We'll be leaving a link in the description below to all these groups. Another shout out to all the people I'm using free downloading music, and I want to give a shout out to all my fishing buddies taking time out and subscribing to the channel. If you're not already, don't forget, become a fishing buddy, hit notification bell, and see what we're doing next week. So now it's time for the prize giveaway, and we'll sort that one out. Good luck all, take care. Fishing buddies, time for the prize giveaway, and as some of you might know, I'm dyslexic, so I'm going to apologise now if I get your name mixed up or got it wrong, but I'll try my best. Phil was supposed to be coming down to give me a hand, but he's busy today. Just want to say a massive thank you to everybody, and thanks for all your support. It's not been best of years for me, it's been one of them years, but still got out, been fishing, got on my mental health, trying to get my physical health sorted and everything else. So thank you very much to everybody. I'm going to put all your names in an hat, and I'm going to draw it out. Next week I might be going to a secret location, and I know that river, and I know that canal at the back of me, and there's some massive barbel in it. So hopefully I'll be going down there and getting myself a barbel. So I'm going to start off with this prize giveaway. The next prize giveaway we'll be having, what I'm going to be doing is about a £30 gift voucher for Anglers Direct. You can shop online and get whatever you want, because obviously some people who see fishing, who watch my group, or different types of fishing, drop shotting and whatever else. So I'm trying to please everybody. So good luck all, and I'm going to start reading names. Christopher Collier, Daz Caper, Kevin Townsend, Owen Birch, Fly by Phil, Peter Harrison, Jason Rensher, Bry Gibbons, Songsticks, All Season Seas Fishing, and Jamie Walsh. Right, well, I'll just give these a check out of the way. So I want to thank everybody. because I've got this new idea with this GoPro thing I've made as a fish finder. So I'm going to do leg work so you lot don't have to. So obviously fish you in swim, I'll try and find some swims out and whatever. And wherever I go fishing, if you want to watch my video straight after, but I'll put it as a separate video if you want to watch that and see what fish we're in, swimming, whatever. So that's what the idea is. So good luck to all, enjoy it out now. And the winner is Jamie Walsh. Well done, mate. I'll make sure that prize gets to you. I'll message you on here, mate, and we'll sort it. So take care, mate, and take care all. Thank you ever so much for your support, and see you again all. Take care.